Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the 7th video of chat app. So in the previous video we have successfully created this setup activity. So in this video we will upload the data of this setup activity. So let's get started. First of all, here we have profile image. This is circle image view, added text, and at the end we have a button. So we will fetch the data from this setup activity and upload on the Firebase. So open our setup activity, and first of all here we will initialize it one by one. So first one is profile image, that is circle image view. So here we will initialize it circle image view. Okay, we have initialized our input fields, buttons and profile image. So we will set a click listener or a profile image. So when we click on this profile image, we will open our gallery. So set on click listener, new on click listener. So here we will open our gallery. So we will create the intent equal to new intent. So here we will pass intent dot set get action content and intent dot set type. Here we will pass image because we have to select the image, and slash static sign like this and close it. Now start activity for result. So here we will search start activity for result, this one. So here we will pass this intent, first one intent, and the second parameter is our request code. So I will pass here request underscore code. So press alt enter to create a constant field, and here we will pass any number. Okay, I pass here 101. So now outside of this on create, we will start on activity result, this one. So here we will check the conditions. So here we will check either we have select the image or not. So here check the condition. If request code equal to over request code that we have passed, and result code is equal to result, okay, this one, and data not equal to null. If these conditions are satisfied, then it means that we have select the image. So here we will select the image. So after selecting the image, it will return the URI of that image. So here we will create the URI. I will simply call it image URI, and here we will assign that image URI. Image URI equal to data dot get data. Okay, now we will assign profile image view dot set image resources, not image resources, image URI. So here we will pass image URI. After selecting the image, it will added the image to this profile image. Also we have to change the intent filter. So cut it from here and add it in our setup activity and run the application. Okay, our application running. Let's hit the profile image, and here you can see it's redirect to our gallery. So here we will select the image. Let's say I select this image. Here you can see it's assigned to our profile image, and let's go back again setup activity. So now we will define our database references. So here we will create Firebase auth. So m auth Firebase user, m user. So now database reference, I simply call it mref, and also we need storage reference because we have to store the image. Also we need storage reference, and here we simply call it storage ref. Okay, now initialize these references. Okay, mauth equal to firebase auth.getInstance. So now we need to initialize muser equal to mauth dot get current user. That's it. Now we need to initialize mref. So I simply call here mref equal to firebase database dot get instance dot get reference dot child. Here we need a reference that is users, so I call it users. Okay, now finally we have storage reference. Storage ref equal to firebase, sorry, it's storage reference, firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference dot child. This child will be profile image. Okay, now we will store the image under this reference, and our data will be stored under this reference. So first of all we will get the data from our input field, these input fields. So come down here, and here we will set a click listener on our btn save. So btn save dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we will store or save data, whatever you want to call it. So here press alt enter to create this method inside this our setup activity. So here we will get the data. So first of all we will create the username, input username dot get text dot toString. The second one is okay. Now we will check either our data is null or something added in our input field. So here we will check if username dot is empty or username dot length is less than 3 characters, and what we have to do, simply show error, and here we will pass over input field. So I will pass here input username, and second one is error, username is not valid. Also we will create this error here, this method. So I will call it input and simply change it into s. So now input dot set error, and here pass s, and input dot request focus. That's it. Now again for second one is over city. So I will change if city dot is empty or city dot length is less than 3. We have to show same error, something like this. So this time not username, so I will change it input city. again for third. So this one is country, and again for country, so change here country, and here input country. Okay, now last one is over profession. So I'll check here profession, again for profession, and here input profession. Okay, now our input fields are ready. So now we have to check the last one, that is image. So if else if image URI not equal to null, again we have to show a toast message. Now this time we will show a toast message. So please select an image. Okay, now in else condition we will check. So in else condition we will upload the data on the Firebase. Okay, so first one we will upload the image. So over storage reference dot child, the child is muser dot get UI dot put file, and here we will pass image URI dot add on complete listener new on complete listener. Okay, if task is successful, so we have mean over image is uploaded, so we have to get the link of that image. So first we will store the image on over storage. So here we will check if task dot is successful, so we will get the URI of that particular image. So here we will get the reference like this, call the method dot get download URI dot add on success listener new on success listener. So in this method we will get the image URI link. Okay, so here we will create the hash map to store the data, all data that we have fetched from our input field. So hash map equal to new hash map. So first one hash map dot put. So first one is username, and username we have fetched from input field, that is username. So I'll duplicate this line, and this one is city. So again for city we will paste it here, and the third one is our country. So I will type here country, and this one is country. And profession, and this one is also profession. Sorry, I have never created the profession. Yeah, it's created. We have to change the spelling. Okay, it's okay, so we will change it later, don't worry. Okay, now I think we have to create it final, so press alt enter to make it final. Okay, now finally we will add our image URI that we have uploaded on Firebase storage. So hash map dot put, and here we will call profile image, and here we will add the URI. So URI that we will get here, this one, we will download the URI of that uploaded image dot URI dot toString, and last one is we will store status. So here we will store status is, offline. Okay, now we will store this data into our database reference. So mref dot child. So under this child we will get m user dot get UI dot put dot set value, or you can call update children. So here we will simply pass this hash map dot add on success listener, new on success listener. Also you can add on failure listener. So add on failure listener, new on failure listener. Okay, first put a semicolon here, and here you can show a simply toast message. Setup profile completed. And here you can show an error. So let me add a toast here. So here e dot toString. Okay, now one more thing that we will add here, we will add the progress bar. So I will create here progress bar. So progress dialog loading bar, and we will initialize it loading bar equal to new progress dialog, and pass here context. So here when we filter the data after in else condition, we will initialize loading bar. So loading bar dot set title adding credentials, not adding credentials, it's setup active, setup profile. Okay, now loading bar dot set cancel outside touch. So I will pass here false, and loading bar. Okay, when our data is uploaded, we will dismiss this dialog. So loading bar dot dismiss, and copy it again. We will paste it here. If our data successfully uploaded, we will simply redirect from this activity to another activity. So here we will create the intent equal to new intent. This is our setup activity dot this, and the target activity is our, let's say I call it main activity dot class. This is not our home activity, anyways we call it. So start activity and pass here intent. Okay, now run the application and let's see either our application working or not. So go to Firebase database. Also in our Firebase database, open our storage and click on this get started and click on next, done. Okay, now go to Firebase database, and here we will select the real-time database. So select here create database, start in test mode, click on enable. Application is successfully running. So let's click on this profile image, select any image, and here type the username. I select, say I type any name, country is New York, and select country USA, not ISA, USA, and select the profession. I simply type here student. Okay, now click on this save button. Please select an image. Oh my god, image is not selected. What happened? Click what is error? Okay, if image URI equal to null, so this is our error, so we will fix it. Okay, now run the application again and let's see this time working or not. Okay, click on this profile image and select the image, username, select any username, city, I select New York, you select whatever you want to add, country, USA, and this time profession is student. Okay, now click on save and wait for adding the data on the Firebase database. Okay, here you can see our main activity is open, so it's mean our data is successfully uploaded on the Firebase.